The Prophet ﷺ said, seek Allah's assistance. No matter what you do, always seek Allah's help. Ya Rabb, make this easy. One dua that you can say is this: Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shi'ta sahla. Oh Allah, there is no ease except what you make easy, and you can make the difficult easy. Always say words like that before or during your endeavor, and even after your endeavor, anything that you do in life. Wala ta'jaz. Don't become paralyzed. What does this mean? It means plan, seek advice, investigate, manage yourself, and then once you've planned and you come to implement your plan, he said, don't become paralyzed. Keep going. Because some people, they plan and right to the point of implementing, they get cold feet. They stand back. Something just stops them. They have the ability, but they're not confident in themselves. Meaning they don't think they're going to do it. Rasul ﷺ said, don't, just keep going. Then just in case things fail, Rasul ﷺ covers you for any possible mental illnesses that can result of it, or any low self-esteem dangers. He says, if something didn't go as planned, musibah, calamity, means that when something is expected and then something ruins it, and the opposite happens. It's not expected. You're driving your car and you're meant to go from here to your home. God forbid an accident happens. You didn't expect an accident. That's called a musibah. So Rasulullah said, if something doesn't go as planned, a musibah happens, then do not say if. What does it mean if? If means those types of people who develop an OCD over it. Obsessed over crying and getting nothing out of it but sadness, misery and blame. That's the type of if Rasul ﷺ warned us against. You cannot change the past. Say Allah has pre-measured, and what He wills He does. Let go of it and say Allah has willed it. Whether it's my fault, whether it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala directed me somewhere else, doesn't matter what it was. It was written, supposed to be there for some reason, but I don't know what tomorrow holds. So Rasul ﷺ says, don't reminisce. If you can learn from what happened, such as management, learn from your mistake, take it. Take it. For everything for a believer is good. That's how a believer looks at life. Then move forward and keep going, keep going, keep going. So long as Allah has given you breath to breathe and life, it means you still have a purpose in this world. Always know that.